how to become a Doordash driver in Australia. So here's what you want to do. You want to open up the browser on your phone and Google search for register Doordash Australia and click on the first link right here, become a driver and deliver. So first you will need to enter your postal code. So I'm just going to type mine like so and find your city, and you just want to verify it by pressing on it and then click on next. It's going to ask for your email address as well. So I will provide my email address here, like so. And again, you want to click on next. The next step will be providing your mobile phone number. So here it's going to be automatically set to Australia. So you just want to type in your number and click on sign up. After you have signed up, then you want to get the Dasher app here. So you want to get the Dasher app from the App Store. It's going to look a little something like this. And you can sign in using your credentials. So here, if I click on Let's Dash, it's going to just make me verify my account. But basically, you will sign in with your account, click on Continue, and then you can become or begin dashing for Doordash. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.